Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, we will be learning how to log into KU Coin account using the KU Coin mobile application. To sign into your existing account for KU Coin is super easy. Launch the KU Coin app on your mobile device first and from the home screen, tap on the sign up button at the top of the screen. Now once you end up in the sign up page, tap on login at the top right. In the login screen, type down your email or phone number. You can also log in with passkey or your Telegram and Apple account. I'm just going to type in the email address in the tab. After typing down the email, click on Next. You can go ahead and sign in with your Face ID or choose to enter your password. Whichever option is easier for you, you can choose it and follow through the login process. After you do that, you will be logged in successfully. That's how you have successfully signed into your KU Coin account. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you'll need to enter the authentication code from your SMS or Google Authenticator app. Once logged in, you'll be taken to this home page from where you can go ahead and explore KU Coin easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.